Continuing with our probability unit, we're now on page 38. Number 5 at the top, you have what they call a tree diagram. A company's uniforms consist of different colored shirts and pants. The shirts can be red, blue, or green. The pants can be tan or black. The tree diagram shows the possible color combinations. Which is the probability of randomly choosing a uniform that has a green shirt and black pants? Okay, well, we already have our drawing right here, don't we? Green shirt, here's our here's the uniform, here are the 3 colors of shirts, and here are the 2 colors of pants, tan and black. So the question says, which is the probability of randomly choosing a uniform that has a green shirt and black pants? Well, green and black, here we have 1 chance out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 1 in 6 chance of getting the green and black. Green shirt, black pants. Number 6. Elena thinks of a number from 1 to 50, and Sal tries to guess the number. Suppose Sal guesses the number 28. Which statement describes Sal's guess? Okay, so we have 5 choices here. Okay, he's trying to guess a number from 1 to 50. Okay, suppose Sal guesses the number 28. Well, halfway between 1 and 50 would be 25. If he guesses 28, 28 is going to be closer to getting it right. It's going to well, okay, let me back up. It's going to be closer to being on the high side. If it was less than 25, it would be closer to being, the chances are it would be on the low side. Greater than 25, the chances are it would be closer to, it would probably be too high. So, let's see what the choices are. The probability that Sal's guess is correct is 1 out of 28. No, because we have 50 total numbers. 50 would have to be on the bottom. Sal's guess is likely to be too low. No, it would have to be less than 25 for it to be too low. Sal's guess is likely to be too high. Oop, it's greater than 25. So it is likely to be too high. Let's keep looking. The probability that Sal's guess is incorrect is 1 out of 50. No, it's his guess is, that's not going to be the probability that it is incorrect. The probability that Sal's guess is correct is 1. No, it's not 100% going to be correct. That's not the problem. It's probably not going to be that number. The only correct choice out of these choices would be that it's likely to be too high. Okay, number 7. A bag contains a red marble, a blue marble, a yellow marble, and a green marble. Okay, and I just happened to draw the bag with the red, blue, yellow, and green marbles. The probability of drawing a red marble is 1 out of 4 because there's 1 red marble out of a total of 4 marbles. Which statement is correct? in regard to the probability of drawing a blue, yellow, or green marble. So we have 1 out of 4 chances of drawing a red. What are the chances of us drawing blue, yellow, or green? 3 out of 4 for the other colors, right? Okay, so let's check our choices here. The complement of 1/4 is going to be 3/4 because 1/4 plus 3/4 give us a total of 1 over 1 or 1, which would make it the total there. So the complement of drawing a red marble, it is the complement of drawing a red marble with a probability of 3 out of 4. So the complement of drawing a red marble would be green, yellow, or blue out of 4. When you add those two together, you're going to have your total, 4 out of 4 marbles, right? Which is going to give you your 1. So remember, the complement of it would be what added to it will give you 1. All right, number 8. Consider the table below. Red, yellow, blue, color of cell phone covers. Always look at your chart first and make sure that you can see what it's talking about. Color of cell phone covers, here's the color, and here is the number of purchases. The table shows the last 25 cell phone cover purchases at Cell Phone Hut. Okay, so this would be 25. This plus this plus this would give us 25 of them that were sold, the last 25. The best prediction for the number of red covers sold out of the next 100 sales is 40. What is the number that corresponds to the color red in the table? Okay, so let's think about that. We have 25 of them sold. Okay, the prediction for the number of red covers sold out of the next 100 is 40. So 40 out of 100 would be red, right? So what number would go up here? Let's do our little proportion. 40 red ones out of 100 as how many red ones out of 25? 40 is to 100 as some amount is to 25. To solve a proportion, we first cross multiply. Step 1. 40 times 25. Take that amount and divide it by 100. So, the number that should go for the red, they probably sold 10 out of 25 of those covers. Okay, think about those, study them a little bit, make sure they make sense to you, and I will be back with another page on the next video. See you next time.